In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell my Hostinger domain. If you want to transfer ownership of a domain you have registered with Hostinger, the process is fairly simple, but it's important to do each part carefully so the transfer goes smoothly. The main goal here is to access your domain settings, disable the domain lock, and then locate the authorization code that the buyer will need in order to complete the transfer on their side. To begin, log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you are using the account where the domain is currently registered, since that is where all of the transfer settings will be located. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Domains section and click on it. This is where Hostinger lists the domains connected to your account. Next, find the specific domain you want to sell. When you locate it, click Manage for that domain. This will open the Domain Management area, where you can adjust the settings related to ownership and transfers. Take a moment to confirm that you selected the correct domain before making any changes. After that, the first thing you need to do is disable the domain lock. This lock is a security feature that prevents unauthorized transfers, so it must be turned off before the domain can be moved to a new owner. Once the lock is disabled, Hostinger should allow access to the transfer information for that domain. You will then see the authorization code, sometimes also called the transfer code or EPP code. This code is extremely important because it acts like a secure key that allows the buyer to initiate and complete the domain transfer with their own registrar or hosting provider. Copy that code carefully and share it with the buyer through a secure method. Before sending it, make sure the buyer understands that this code is what they will use to complete the transfer on their end. In other words, your part is to unlock the domain and provide the authorization code, while the buyer must submit that code during the transfer process with the service they are using. If they do not know how to use it, the transfer may be delayed. That's all you need to do from the Hostinger side. Just be careful when sharing the authorization code. Double check that the correct domain is unlocked and make sure the buyer is ready to finish the transfer properly. And that's how to sell your Hostinger domain.